Struggling with different USB cables for your devices? The Philips USB Cable Kit offers a simple solution to connect almost any USB-compatible device without the hassle of juggling multiple cords. Whether it's your laptop, printer, smartphone, or digital camera, this kit makes staying connected straightforward and reliable. What sets this kit apart is its versatility. It includes 4 essential adapters: a male to B-male, a male to USB-C, a male to mini-B, and a male to micro USB. Paired with a 6-foot a male to a female USB 2.0 cable, you can easily switch between devices without hunting for the right cable. The USB-C adapter is especially useful, as it's quickly becoming the standard for charging and data transfer across the latest gadgets. I've tested the Philips USB cable kit myself, and the quality is clear right out of the box. The cable feels sturdy, and swapping out the adapter heads is seamless. It worked flawlessly with my laptop, smartphone, and even my scanner. The only minor drawback is that some adapters are a bit bulky, which can make plugging into devices with tight ports tricky. Still, that's a rare issue and doesn't overshadow the overall convenience. Beyond convenience, this kit supports data transfer speeds up to 480 megabits per second, so you're not just connecting, you're moving files quickly and efficiently. It's compatible with both Windows 7 and newer PCs, as well as Mac systems, making it a truly universal accessory for your tech setup. If you're tired of cluttered drawers full of cables and adapters, this kit offers what you need in one compact package. It's perfect for anyone juggling multiple devices at home, in the office, or on the go. The Philips USB Cable Kit streamlines your connections and reduces the guesswork when it comes to compatibility. Worth a look if you want a reliable, all-in-one USB solution that grows with your devices. The future-proof design, especially with USB-C, means you won't have to keep buying new cables as your tech evolves. It's a smart investment for anyone serious about staying connected without the mess. Try the Philips USB Cable Kit when you're ready to simplify your tech life. With everything you need in one kit, you'll save time, avoid frustration, and enjoy smooth data transfers across all your USB-compatible devices.